and sentences. Let's begin reading sight words. I, a, by, the, in, you. Let's repeat, children. I, a, by, the, in, you. On, my, with, find, dog. Let's repeat. On, my, with, find, dog. Near, flies, over, where, hop. Let's repeat. Near, flies, over, where, hop. Now, let's read words with long O sound. Bone, tone, tone, bone, cone, tone. Rose, nose, hose. Rose, nose, hose. Goat, coat, boat. Goat, coat, boat. Row, tow, bow. Row, tow, bow. Now let's read sentences with long O. The dog finds a bone near the stone. Let's repeat. The dog finds a bone near the stone. The goat wears a coat in the boat. Let's repeat. The goat wears a coat in the boat. The toad hops slow by the crow. Let's repeat. The toad hops slow by the crow. The crow flies low over the rose. Let's repeat. The crow flies low over the rose. I call you on the phone with my nose. Let's repeat. I call you on the phone with my nose. Well done, children. You are awesome. See ya.